Dear viewers, as we have started a basic house plan from AutoCAD to Sketchup 3D plan. So in our previous lecture I have just shown you everything about that, how to draw door, how to draw wall, how to create opening or everything, and almost we have completed 20 lectures about SketchUp from basic to advanced. And in this lecture I'm just going to show that how we'll create a windows like that, okay, and how we'll create a transparency windows with glass or anything. So in this lecture I'm just going to show that. So let's start. And before starting, if you're a LinkedIn user, then you can connect me on LinkedIn. That link are given in description. And also if you're new to my channel, then obviously subscribe to my channel. So first of all, to draw a windows like that, what I'll do, I'll just take a copy of that shape. Okay, so how we can do that? I'll simply click it, select button, then I'll press Ctrl, otherwise I'll select first line, then I'll click that second line, then third line, and the last line, and I'll just recheck is it okay or not. So when is it okay, I'll just use that move tool and I will click here, and after clicking here, if we try to move, everything will move. Just see, everything will move like that. Then what we'll do, press Ctrl, then the only line will come, right? So when is it here, when is it here, then what you can do that. So I'll just simply, okay, I'll just take it here. So when is it here, when is it here, then we have to do something, that I will simply use that rectangle box, and from that point to that point I'll use rectangle. After that, how much will be the border of my windows, I'll just draw that. Suppose that is for that, what I'll do, I'll simply use that offset. So here I'll click, and sorry, here all the line are already selected, that's why it's showing like that. So I'll just click here. So now it's okay, right? Now it's okay. And so here I'll use that offset. So how much the offset will be, I'll just take 0.5, right? I'll take offset 0.5, then enter. So here that is the border, and if you think that you need more, then you can use more as our that windows, okay, here, or that windows. So it's up to you that how much you will take, actually it's totally depend on you. Okay, so if I Ctrl Z, okay, I'm just taking little bit more. Ctrl Z, and I'm just taking 1 inch. Okay, so that is 1 inch. After that, I'll just remove that surface. So you know that how to remove that surface. Control, I'll just click here, then select that one, just remove that. Maybe they have some problem in that side. Okay, before removing that side, what we should to do, before removing that side, what we should to do, I'll just Ctrl Z. First of all, I'll just make the thickness of it. So how much, I'll take thickness, as our wall are in 6 inch, 6 inch also. What you can do that, I'll just extrude that in that way in 6 inch. Okay, so that is 6 inch. Now I'll just take offset, then it will be okay. So that is 1 inch, enter. After that, we'll be able to remove that easily, like that and that. Just see, that's okay. Now what I'll do, at middle I'll draw our glass. That means I'll just draw a line here from that middle to that middle. Okay, actually it's depend on you that how we'll do that. It's totally depend on you. I'm just showing you that how we can draw that. That's why I'm just taking a random line, and here also middle point to that middle point, and in that middle point also I'll take a line so that we can identify the required size of our glass, right? So here now simply what I'll do, I'll take a rectangle like that, and from that point to I'll just go to that point here. Just see, we have created that perfectly, and when it's done I'll just remove that line. We can remove also that line, it's not problem, and from top I'll just remove that line. Okay, and from that side no problem. When it's done, now we'll go for our transparency mode. How? So I'll just come here from that materials option, materials, then from here the glass and mirror, and they have, you're seeing a rectangle shape, it's representing the transparent glass. Okay, it's representing, and here also a transparent glass like that. If you use, it will be like that, and also you can use that, it will be like that. Okay, so if you use that, it will be like that. Just see, it's also transparent. We're seeing that man, but it's not so clear. It's not so clear. The man are also showing, but it's not so clear. Just see. So what I'll do, if I use that color, I mean that transparency mode, just see the men are also seeing. So I will simply use that color, that is the standard color of glass. So when it's done, after that simply I'll select that, and I will use that move tools, and I will use that move. I'll click just here. If I click, it will reshape. Then I'll just press Ctrl, and I will move that here how much I need. Okay, and here, so see, our windows is ready. Now I'll just select that. After selecting, I will just use that move tools. I will use with respect to that point, and I will simply come here. I'll simply come here and I will attach that. Just see, it's done, right? It's okay now. In that side, actually when we have created, then from that side so here again I'll just come and I'll select that from like that. So when I'll see from that side, it's also okay, we're able to see the outside, but for your security purpose you can use that color like that. In that side it will be totally invisible, but from that side it will be visible. So this is the good sign. Now when it's done, now how we'll draw our sunset. After completing that, simply we'll draw our sunset. So I'm just giving that color for now. So I'll just create our sunset. To create sunset, I'll from that middle point, I'll just go top. How much will be our peak point? Like 1 feet, 1 apostrophe. Okay, then from here with respect to that point, okay, with respect to that point I'll just go for 3 feet like that. consider that 3 feet, then escape, and from here also with respect to that point I'll just come here for 3 feet, sorry, 3 apostrophe feet. So it's done. When it's done, now I'll just go for another thing. I'll select that line and I'll just go for move, where at from middle point I'll just go top, sorry, control top. How much? First of all, you may face a problem here. If you click here, it will move like that with everything. Then what will do? Press control and then move, then it's okay. Okay, then it's okay. And also you are able to move that in top direction, but if you have any problem, press the up arrow, okay, for that. And after that, how much you want to give its thickness? Suppose I want to give its thickness 1 inch or 1.5 inch, then it's okay. And after that, click here, sorry, select that one. After that, again same way at middle point, so here we can select that, again press Ctrl and with that axis, so click, so it's done. After that, I'll just click here to join that line, then escape, again just come here and join that line. So if you click on that box, sorry, maybe we have done a mistake here. See, we have done a mistake here. As we have attached them, they have two problems. Okay, they have one problem and they have another problem. So in Sketchup we can do that. So first of all, I'll just join that. Okay, I hope it will be okay now. So I have to redraw that, please don't mind. I'll just delete, and also I'll just delete, and after that, from that point to that point I'll redraw like that. Just consider that your line shouldn't be divided by any joint, so it's also okay. Now if I click here, just see, now it's done. When it's done, then I'll just select that pull push and I'll select that face, okay, and in that direction, how much we need, we can do that. Suppose like 1 feet, 1 apostrophe, so it's done. In this way, you are able to design you are able to draw a stair like windows like that, and you can color it, so metal like that. Suppose if I use that simply to show you that, so it's done. We can use that color as we record, and there are many color, so also we can use like that, sorry, Ctrl Z, okay, like that. Actually, anything you need, you can do here, which color you like or which way you are able to do that, it's up to you. So in this way you are able to draw that. So thank you very much. Still stay connected till next video, and if you think that is helpful for you, then obviously subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you get every update ever first. So thank you very much.